gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. It's your boy Extreme SC back again with another video. So yes, we are back with the questions, DBMS question classes again. Yes, right. So today we're going to be doing the question set 6. I know we will be continuing the eShop. So I actually was planning on uploading another eShop video, but the code isn't fully complete. The next video about the eShop is going to be about the forgot password part. So without further ado, let's get to the question set. Alright, so here we are at the question set 6, as you can see. So the description here says, the board of directors of HeidiSQL Academy has decided to computerize information of all teachers in the educational institution. Software was developed by Taraka Software Solutions. Imagine that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you. The instructions are as follows. Right, so now that we read the description, let's get to the first question. Alright, so the first question here says create a database called HeidiSQL Academy to store students' data. Right, so let's get to that first. Of course, I have everything open right here. Let me rename this. Sorry, it's a bit slow. There we go. HeidiSQL Academy. A diagram. And here we are. The first question is done. So now that we're done with the first question, let's get to the second one. Alright, so the second question here says create a table called student to store the student's data. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Right, so we got the table right here, so we have to create this table in the MySQL diagram. Here we go. Student. Here we go. The next one is gonna be it's gonna be the student registration number, first name, last name, gender, and contact. Okay, student registration number. Pretty sure it's watch 10. Watch 10. Okay, there's our primary key. We'll auto increment this. Why not? Or not. Make the next one, which is the first name. Make this watch 45. We'll make this not no, and we'll make the next. Now we're gonna make the last name. There we go. I'm pretty sure the next one is gonna be the gender. This one's gonna be watch at 10. We'll also make this not no. Of course, then the contact number. We'll also make this watch at 10. And I think we're done with everything. Are we? And yeah, we're done with everything. We got everything in the table right here. So now that we're done with the second question, let's get to the forward engineering, because we have to forward engineer this before we get to the third question. Alright, so we all know how we forward engineer this, right? We go to database and we select here forward engineering. Of course, now we give them here and give the password. I press OK, and then next again, and next. And of course, forward engineer finished successfully. Now we close this and we go to our Heidi, and we come here and we refresh this. Here it is, HeidiSQL Academy right here. And of course, there's our table right there, the student table. As you can see, everything's been created. We got every column and everything right here. Now that we're done with forward engineering, let's get to the third question. Alright, so here we are at the third question. As you can see, it says, enter the data shown in the table below in the table you prepared. When entering the data, enter the data graphically. Right, so we don't have to use queries for this one. We're just gonna have to put it manually. So let's put the first one right here. Let's go to our Heidi right here. Of course, this is our table, and look at the data. Is it row? Sure, the first one was. Oh wait, a bit of a mistake there. Right, first name was Amal, I think. And then last name was Pereira. Pereira. Go, gender was male, I think. And his contact number was 0710 710, and the next one was 751211. 751211. And there we go. We got everything entered right here. So now that I've entered one row of it graphically, I'm just gonna skip to the part where I upload everything, and I'll see you guys. Alright, so here we are. We uploaded all the data into the table, as you can see. So I didn't record that part because it would have made the video longer and more boring for you guys. So I don't want that to happen. So I just skipped it right here to all the data being included. So now that we're done with this one, let's go to the next question. Alright, so the fourth question we got here, it says the data of some of the students you have entered above should change as follows. Write the update query statement required to update the data. Right, so the first question here, it says the gender of the student whose student registration number is STU006 is marked as female. It should be changed to male. Right, so let's do that. So STU006 is Namal Patirana, is female. Yeah, makes sense. So let's do it. So I'm gonna use a query for this. I'm gonna use an update query for this. So oh, hang on, made a mistake. Hang on. Update. Oh. Whoa, made a mistake. There we go. Sorry, it's a bit hard. Update, HeidiSQL Academy. There we go. So after the update, you give your database name. Now you give your table name, which is the student table. Yep, that's the table right there. Give it the student table. Now we put set. There we go. Now the gender. gender. There we go. Equal to the male part. There we go. And we put where. And now the student registration number. This column right here. Which is now equal to the STU006. There we go. And put a semicolon. And now if I run this, there we go. Now STU06, Nama Padrona, it still says females, but if I refresh this, and there we go, it's changed to male. As you can see, it's now male. Right, so now that we're done with that one, let's get to part 2. Alright, so first question, part 2. Here we go. It says, now the Norwegian student registration number is STUD 010. It's stored in the database. It should be changed to STU0010. Right, so let's get to that. I'm gonna also use an update query for this one as well. So let me change all this. Now instead of gender, we set the student registration number. There we go. Oh, hang on. I think I made a mistake. There we go. There we go. And we've done that. And next we put the 0 equal to the STU. Hang on. STU010. There we go. After that, it is the where. Now we put the first name. After that, we put the first name. We type in and the last name. There we go. And now equal to Vijay Singha. Oh wait, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be Vijay Singha. No, Vijay Singha. Vijay Singha. There we go. I think it all got it all right. Yeah. And now I gotta close this. Let me run this. Now we gotta run this. Oh, I could tell you another. Hang on. I think I made a mistake here. I think. First name. I think I forgot to put what it's equal to. Yeah. Equal this to. No. There we go. Let me run this now. There we go. I think it worked out. Right, so it's still STUD107. Hang on, so let me fix this. If I refresh this, and there we go. It's fixed. STU010. There we go. And now it's fixed. Now that we're done with that, let's go to the final part. Right, so here we are. It says student registration number, the STU02020 student's first name must be changed to Kalani. Write the required update query for that. Right, so let's do that. And we come here, we remove this. here we write the first name. There's that. Now we write the equal to colony. And then we give it a where. And then student registration number. There we go. And now equal to STU020. Now we give it a semicolon. And now we run this. Now that we go to data, here it still here says Chamat, but if I refresh this, it changes to colony. There we go. Right, so that's all the questions we've done now. Now let's get to the end of the video. Alright, so here we are at the end of the video. So yeah, that's all I have for today of the question set 6. Yes, and there's still more question sets left of questions like question set 7 to question set 10, all the way to question set 10. And yeah, the eShop series will continue after these questions. Don't worry about it. I am going to be continuing it. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.